guys, we've just landed in France. Can you say bonjour? Can you say au revoir? So we're just on our way to see the villa. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Are you excited to see me?
Yeah!
So we are the Golding family, and there's little Sophie who's 2.5, Ava who's 6, Ali, and then me, Coral. My mum was here too, and it was so nice for her to get to spend so much time with the kids. When we go on holidays, you're kind of exploring with them and you really get to focus on them and what's around you, and you're really more in the moment. When we arrived at the villa, I was completely and utterly blown away. I didn't even know that these places existed to stay in. We were all in utter shock. The grounds are absolutely amazing of the villa that we stayed in. It had the most beautiful pool. Ava definitely felt like a princess. We went on a trip to St Paul de Vence, which is just a magical little village. We had a look around the market where the girls smelled different teas and tried loads of different dried fruits. And we walked up through these amazing cobbled streets, learned a little bit more about the food. The girls obviously had to stop and get an ice cream. We are just on our way to Gorge de Verdon to go and do some kayaking. We're literally going through on a very mountainous road right now. It's really crazy, but we're hoping it's worth it when we get there. We're all really, really excited to see it, aren't we, guys?
Can't wait!
Yeah. When we went to the lavender fields, it was really, really lovely. I mean, the smell takes your breath away. The girls love running through all the rows of lavender. So we walked down to this secluded beach, Ali and I, one evening. It was just so nice to have some time, just the two of us. So the Oliver's Travels team was so helpful. They managed to organise a chef for us even before we'd left for the trip. It was just such a beautiful evening. If anyone was thinking about going on an Oliver's Travels holiday, I couldn't recommend it more. Where they place their villas, the way everything is so well thought about, from when we booked the holiday right through to when we arrived. We've made memories with Oliver's Travels that I'm just never going to forget. That is more valuable than anything. So many breathtaking moments. And just to have those memories as a family has been priceless. Well, I think we're here, but we're not too sure. Should we go and have a look?
Yeah, let's go on an adventure!